Good morning, students. Today we are going to move our next chapter of SS, that is lesson 14, Unity in Diversity. So let's start the chapter. Students, in this chapter, Unity in Diversity, we will read about diversity and unity, different types of diversity in India, like geographical diversity, economic diversity, religious diversity, linguistic diversity, etc., as well as unity in diversity and discrimination between girls and boys, etc., etc. So now let's start the chapter, Unity in Diversity. First of all, understanding of diversity. What is diversity? Our country is a country of diversity. The people of India have diversity in religion, language, culture, food, attire, living practices, customs, rituals, festivals, residence, beliefs, etc. The people of our country follow religions like Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Jainism, Buddhism, Zoroastrianism, Judaism, etc. Languages like Hindi, English, Gujarati, Bengali, Marathi, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam, Odia, Konkani, etc. are spoken in our country. So students, it is a fact that India is a country of diversity. Even you can see a diversity in your classroom also. How? Listen carefully. You will find that none of your friends look exactly like you. In factly, usually no one looks exactly like someone else. Every student in your class will have a different family, cultural background, academic capabilities and interests, food habits, religious faiths, etc. Therefore, it is highly possible that the rest of the people around you are different from you in many ways, such as habits, views, beliefs, gender, attitude, personality, character, etc. So, this is called diversity. Even you can say diversity is the law of nature. And you and your friends are in the same school and the same class. Despite that, there are many diversities between all of you. Although you read the same textbooks, wear the same school uniform and have the same teachers. So despite diversity, there are some elements of unity among you as well. So for unity, you don't need to similar. What you need is to accept and respect each other's difference and life in harmony. So is it okay? What is called diversity and what is called unity? So the people of India is a land of diversity. Diversity in India. India is a vast country with a wide variety of geographical and climatic conditions. Since the ancient times, people from different parts of the world have come to India and settled down. Different regions of the Indian subcontinent have developed diverse and unique cultures of their own. Unique means very special, unusual. Therefore, India has become a land of diversity. Here, you may find several ethnic, religious, cultural and linguistic communities. All of them have lived together in the Indian subcontinent for centuries in considerable harmony, respecting and appreciating each other's differences. So that is a special characteristic of Indian culture. Now we will discuss different type of diversity. First, geographical diversity. Geographical conditions are often instrumental in creating diversity. India has a huge diversity in landforms. It has great mountains in the north, a vast riverine plain, a great desert in Rajasthan, wide coastal plains on three sides, plateaus in the peninsular south, and many islands. People shape their lifestyle according to the geographical conditions. Geography determines the kind of dress they wear, the kind of food they eat, their most prominent ways of livelihood, and the local customs. Therefore, meat and milk products are extremely popular in the cold valleys of Kashmir, where little crops are grown. On the other hand, people living in the coastal regions such as Bengal and South Indian Peninsula are fond of rice, fish, coconut, and a lot of spices. Linguistic diversity. People living in different parts of India speak different languages. There are 22 official languages in India, but more than 200 different languages are spoken in our country. Within these languages, there are more than 1600 dialects. India's linguistic diversity is unmatched in the world. There are many types of languages are spoken in our country, like Hindi, English, Gujarati, Bengali, Punjabi, Malayalam, etc. But students, in spite of existing diversity in language, various languages have importance to maintain unity of our country. So, India is a land of linguistic diversity also. Economic diversity. Due to various geographical conditions, different areas of India specialized in different economic activities. Agriculture is the primary occupation of the people of the Indo-Gangetic plains, and fishing is an important occupation in the coastal states such as Kerala, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal and Maharashtra. The people of the mountain regions like Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand depend mainly on cattle, yak and sheep rearing for their livelihood. And the one more thing is also important, that the sheep of Jammu and Kashmir are famous for providing Pashmina wool. Apart from the economic diversity, according to reasons, India has a great difference among the economic classes as well. India has people who are billionaires as well as a large number of extremely poor people. India has a growing and thriving economic middle class as well. Therefore, the economic diversity of India is also immense. So students, today we have discussed about diversity in India, geographical diversity, linguistic diversity and economic diversity. And the rest of the topics like religious diversity, cultural diversity, discrimination between girls and boys, etc. we will discuss in our next video. Till then, I hope You will read the chapter thoroughly. Thank you for watching this video.